Hey guys, yes, no volume because I haven't started yet. So we are back. Hopefully we get some good moves here. It is a NFP week, so we just got to be careful. I just want to show you guys something. So let's see what we get today. This is the daily. That's the range. We're pretty much stuck in this range again. So there's no direction here yet. PMI, I think, is on Wednesday or Thursday or something. Let's take this off again. Let's see. I know we still got this data high up here for liquidity. This one here. So, I don't know. We pretty much stuck between the volume balance and this fair value gap H1 here. And then we in this range. So, we'll have to be patient. Then we've obviously got equal highs higher up. But I mean, this is all on the 1 hour, so it could take time to get there. It could be quick. I don't know. Let's see on the 15 minutes. Right. 15 minutes. Liquidity, yeah, pretty much stuck. So I want to have to wait here and see. There's liquidity, lots of sell side on this end on the 15 minutes. So there's definitely liquidity down here. There's liquidity, so we can say this is relatively equal lows because of that low and that low and that low, and I mean there's this all the sell side. So we need to see what the hell we want to do here. So let's see if this range, I mean we've matched that 50% already, so I mean I don't have a clear initial thing to say, hey guys, jump on this, or this is what I'm going to do. So in this fair value gap, or this gap, I mean, I can take it off to make it clear, and let's see. So remember, we've got equal lows down here. There's all the sell side down here, and I just want to see something. I guess so. We've got equal highs right here, where we are right now. And above that, let's see what's here. Just want to see there's no real gaps. No, don't know. I'll just be patient today, guys, and see. We've got liquidity down. Let's see what this first 15-minute does, and then we'll take it from there. I'm gonna jump onto the H4 here. We invert the H4 fair value gap. You're talking about this one here. I mean, we stuck in a range, so what can I read? I mean, you can, I mean, I'm not saying it's invalid or anything. My biggest problem is we pretty much stuck. Let's see what did we run here. Right, so there is equalize right here as well. And that's right at the bottom of the 15-minute range. I know we just started, so let's see if we run up and come down to run that side, or are we running down to go up? I don't know. Mm-hmm. 890s equal highs. Let's see. You say 890. 890 is equal highs. I don't see equal. I mean, those two little ones there. I mean, this is more prominent. Well, it's relative. It's tiny, but it is equalized. You're right. Okay. All right, I'm going to let it breathe a bit here. I'm going to just mute myself for a second here. I'm going to grab myself a cup of coffee quickly, and then I'll be back, and then we can see what to do next. I'm keeping my eye on things on both my screens, and I need to see what this first 50-minute does. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, I am back. So let's see. Right, so we've got the VWAP here for now. Price is pretty much in a ranging state, so gotta wait for something that stands out. Something above here or down here or something. Don't like how price is zigzagging here. Or zigzagging. I think for me, if we see price come down and run these equal lows here, then come back and this blue line has come down and we close above it, I'll probably take a long up there. But let's see. I don't know, is there anyone taking any trades yet? Let's see what the Dow and gold's doing. Hey, gold. Nice divergence. But gold is bearish. So can't really take a bullish trade there. Let's look at the Dow. Dow is bullish on the 15-minute and the 1 hour. It's been consolidating there, but I'll have to wait and see. Then we're looking at our old Nasdaq, and Nasdaq is let's see. H1 looks bullish, but I'm suspecting some sort of a sideways something. 15 minutes looks like pushing hard. Sorry, bullish. Okay, so we run these equal highs here. These ones. Okay. Well, let's see. So far, we've got a push up, pull back, push up, maybe a pull back, and then a push up again. So maybe just something to be patient. Got liquidity down here. We also got the data highs from last week. So we could potentially see if we're gonna go long to that and then back down again. But I mean, nothing outstanding, nothing standing out for me right now. So I know it's moving up here, but doesn't give me entry. Well, you say the plan is to short if it gets to that 890 level. I look at it slightly different. I'm not saying don't short it. I'm saying if we get to that 890 level, which let's mark it out. Oh gosh. So I would say my approach is, you say we must short there. I'm like, okay, well, who knows? What I need to do is I need to see if price go up there, and I'm going to draw it out for you guys. If we see price goes up there and it comes back down and it goes up again and it comes down, is this divergence to my indicators? And is there some sort of a gap that it goes into? Is there a momentum break? And then I would target this low, these lows here. Then I'll look for shorts, but not if price gets there. I needed to play into my hands first. I mean, even if we close below this anchored view up here, I've tried it before to take shorts because there's liquidity. Got burned. Okay, let's see. My pre-market plan, there's no plan. It's in consolidation. Daily, it's consolidating. And on the daily, I think it was on the daily. Hold on. Let me show you. Let me go to the hourly. And then go. We've got equal. Do it this way. All right. This is the daily range. This is the hourly, but that's the range. The top end of the range is equal highs. Bottom line is equal lows. So, I mean, who knows? We've got equal lows here, equal lows there now. We've got a data high. So, this is not some price action telling us, oh, it's bullish. We haven't run that liquidity there to go bullish. We run this now. And let's see where we go from here. I mean, it's displacement up, displacement down. And then jigging to, oh gosh, do you see my H1? Hold on, let me go to the 15 minute. This is what I was talking about. So displacement up, displacement down, pull back, and then just go sideways. So we're pretty much in a sideways market. So what we're supposed to do, any trade in here, we're trading in a range. So we're either going to wait for price to go up here to liquidity or even higher. I mean, there will be setups for that, but it would be preferable if we, run a liquidity and give you a setup to the opposite liquidity. So that's liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. But there's a lot of sell side down here. So I needed to see what the first 50-minute does. And it looks pretty bullish, but it left equal lows right down to 1 minute. And there's all the sell side liquidity here. So I don't know. So I can't tell you. It's in a range, so you're gonna range trade. So you got to get down to equal lows to go back up to equal highs, that type of thing. Right, let's go back to the 1 hour because I see there's a question. Bearish fair value gap. All right, let's look at this. This was a bullish fair value gap. There's a volume imbalance. We sliced through it, made a bearish fair value gap there. But there's an H1 fair value gap here. So you're stuck between two fair value gaps. So let's do this. We take that out and we put this in. Because this is what we say. Doom, doom, doom. And we make it gray. And we call it fair value gap. H1 fair value. Alright, so now it reads better, right? Now you're stuck in a range. Still. So it's not bullish or bearish. Here it's bullish, there it's bearish. So what do you need to see? You need to see price to break and close through that to go higher, but then you got liquidity right there. Okay, so if we break through all of that, okay, then we can go up here. If we sell off and break through this, we can get through that and then we can get back down here. But now for this point, we lock in no man's land. Just stuck. And with all of that, this is also not telling me anything. This is telling me we're in consolidation flat. This is telling me we want to go lower, we want to go up, we want to go lower, we want to go up. And now looks like you're building to the upside, but it's not bullish because the red line is pretty flat. So that's also telling me we a little bit of a flat line. So what we need is price to accelerate in a direction and pull all of these things with it and then set up some sort of a M to come down. But for now, nothing for me to do. If you guys take any trades, let me know and I'll follow with you. But I'm not taking any trades. I mean, I stuck to the rules last week. I didn't stream much, but in that time, I realized when I stream, I normally take a bunch of trades. When I don't stream and I focus and I just do my own thing, I look for that one trade, take it, and I'll move on. And that's what I'm going to do now. I mean, this looks very juicy to take longs, but I'm not there. The only thing I'll take now is a sip of my coffee. I mean, I can draw this fair value gap here. And then you guys probably going to think, oh, we're going... I mean, at this point in time, this looks bullish. I'm not taking it though. Because the reason I marked that one out, I'm looking at this low that was run here, bounce off that anchored VWAP. And the bottom of this fair value gap is right at 50%. So that could be a nice bounce. And it's in line with the anchored VWAP, the overnight VWAP. And this first 15 minutes, just so you can see it, is also a nice outside bar with that order block there. We literally touched it there. And that lines up with the anchored VWAP, that little pin. But we need to see if this is actually something that wants to go higher. Maybe it is. But look at that. We just inversed that fair value gap. So let's take it off. Let's see something quickly here. Okay, so people might say, hey Neil, there's divergence. This is divergence of that. So it's diverging, which is fine. It inverses this gap, which gives the entry. And then you target the opposite here. That's perfect, actually. The problem is, this divergence is not a high quality divergence for me. I mean, it looks like it's going to play out, yes. But I think if you take this divergence all the time, you're going to get screwed. You need this leg to be outside that blue band. You need all of this to be above 50% to give you or confirm that momentum. This is confirming momentum, which is also fine. But like I said, that's not 100%. And you go against your VWAP, so maybe it plays out. Let's see. I mean, I'll be tempted to take this short, but I'm not. I should have taken it up here. Because then at least we get this. If we take it up here, 50% is a 1-to-1. You don't know if it's going to break lower, but it could. Normally it returns back to that 50%. And what I'm going to do is I'll keep an eye on what we're going to do down here. And the reason I don't take this trade, guys, because there's a bit of a gap in my rules here. So as much as I know and think this most probably going to run this, because we're pretty much slicing through the view ups here. My problem is if I take a short here for a cheap trade, this thing could go all the way back and close above there to go higher. So the opportunity for me then was to take it up here. And let me see. That was also the crossover. Okay, it's not going to show it. That's fine. That's also a close below the 8 EMA. So then that would be your aggressive entry. This is also, we needed this down move first to close above this blue line to take it up, but oh wait. Maybe. Maybe. Problem is you're running liquidity now. If you enter on a pullback, what are you targeting? This is why I'll be careful. Just a little bit careful. It's a very good chance that we can make a U-turn here. I mean, we could come all the way back down here, or U-turn, go back up. All right, so look at the 15-minute quickly so you can see. Boom, boom, boom. 15 minutes. That was the opening range, that white candle. Oh gosh, we run up. This looked bullish, and now we ran the equal lows, and this low, this high, and that could be equal highs there, so that we could see a U-turn here to go back up. Or maybe you get your pullback and it sells off. I don't know. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, that's a nice big fair value gap on the 5 minute. Mhm. So we saw momentum slow down up here and then we drop. This is also momentum slowing down here. So maybe we get back to the 50%. Yeah. Or maybe we just drop. Okay, so basically what happened today again is we ran both sides of the opening range, high and low. Mhm. Anything for me, guys. This was telling me divergence. There's your breaker structure when we closed down. I just couldn't take this trade because we, against the VWAPs, very good chance that we go to the other side. There's liquidity there. But my divergence set up, but didn't set up the way I wanted it. And now I am just, I mean, I'm fine even if I don't take a trade. I guess it's not the end of the world. I want to look for that trade that's actually going to be right for me. It's too bouncy. Ding, ding, ding. Oh gosh. Try to take a trade on Dow and then it hit my TP so quickly I couldn't move it. Anyways, so I was looking at this just so you guys know this. This candle here, it was too quick for me. Yes, let's try it again. See if we can get it down. Same place. Right, I took entry on the Dow to take it down here. And let's see. I took an entry because it looks like we're bouncing off this fair value gap. Just going to keep a close eye on it, just to show you guys what it was that I was taking. Back to Nasdaq here for you. Let's see what gold does. Gold to do the shorting already. I just want to see what Dow does quickly. Okay. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Drop, drop, drop. Yep. Bounce here. Just go straight down. And now it's pulling back. Oh gosh. Okay. It's a good time to take a trade anymore. Well, if it's not clear, then don't take it. If it stands out, then take it. I mean, mine was diverging, all of that, but there was a few things that wasn't in place. I didn't take it. but I've taken the Dow. It is pulling back, so it's not following through. So this could be a silly trade. I think just to answer you on that, I think it's important for you, for anybody to have, I know we spoke about it, everybody speaks about it, but if you have clear guidelines how to find a direction, how to narrow it down, and then what your entry setup looks like, then you got to take it. If the bias is there and it sets up the opposite, then it's not coming together. Then you can't take a trade, and that's just one of those things. And that's why it's so important to get your strategy, your entry, your bias, all of those things ironed out. Come on, you can do it. Come on, drop it. Drop it. Drop, drop, drop. I mean, I don't know if there's equal lows here. But let's see. And then you gotta set some clear parameters for yourself. You gotta say, listen, if it reaches a certain level, not interested. If you hit a loss and it's 1% or 0.5%, that's how you're gonna have to. That's how you're gonna have to, put rules in place for yourself. All right, guys, my trade has hit. I had to take 2 trades. That screws around with my stats, but it's fine. I mean, we've hit that, but I'll get it right. That's my trade for the day, basically. And now it's dropping. It's dropping aggressively. Jeez, I should have stayed longer. All right, so gold is dropping, Dow's dropping, Nasdaq is dropping. Can you believe this? Look at that. Look at that. Going straight for those equal lows. So let's look at this quickly. I mean, this is diverging, right? That's diverging. I've gone down into the 1 minute. It didn't give me like this. It's outside the blue band. And remember I said the lines must all be above 50. I'm just going to jump to a 1 minute quickly. It's like all over. It's not above 50. Black line is right in the middle. Red and green is within the bands. So it's not playing their part. But looking at this, looks good. So if this comes back up now, I mean, this could be, but. I would like to get in on this setup here before we start smashing out there. Didn't get it, didn't take it, but I did take it somewhere else. And somewhere else, that was the Dow. I'm looking at Nasdaq, Dow, and gold these days. Dow has been giving me some nice trades. I don't know if you guys saw the Leaps got this currency challenge. Yeah, boy, the currency challenge. I entered. I did take some trades. I'm not very focused on it, so just say if you guys think, wow, Um, let's see, where am I? I am under the top 3%, but I'm about $4,000 up. I mean, the guy that's in the lead is up $67,000. So, I mean, that doesn't mean anything for me. When does this thing even stopped? It's only 15 days, so it's a 2-week thing. It finishes in 6 days. So I haven't taken much trades there, so I can't rave about it. Ding, ding, ding. All right, so where are we with this FTM account? Let me see. Where am I? Where am I? I am currently on. I need to make 10% to pass the challenge. I'm on 4.4%. My discipline score is about 90%. My average profit, average loss is not, it's not right. I mean, I screwed around a bit in the beginning. So my win rate's about 60%, but with an average, say, profit of $50 and lost $60, I mean, that's not great. So I'll probably lose in the long run. But yeah, let's see. Right, so I'm watching this now. So remember, we're in this fair value gap. We know we've got liquidity down there, but maybe we go down in it, spice down, and move back up quickly and leave divergence, and then go back up. I'm going to take this off because that's done. That's done. Oh gosh, what did I do? What did I do? Right, so now I need to make sure I delete the right one. All right, so now we've got this. I mean, if we get some sort of divergence here and get back up here, and the blue and the black VWAPs is still like this, we close above it, I might consider a long to take it back up. But let's see. But I'm not, I mean, I have taken a trade, so I'm not forcing any trades. I am not going to force any trades. And this is what Dow's doing right now, just to show you. Dow's just running the high, come down, run the low, and now probably going to get back into 50% here. Let's see. Guys, I'm reconsidering if I still need to do the PM session live sessions. Because the reason is I mean, my main trade normally happens at the AM session, and the PM session's not been great. And I mean, we sit around and chat, and I wonder if that's still worth my time though. All right, so what we've got now, we've got the dump and the pullback, and let's see. And this is hold on. Not outside the bands, but it's pulling everything below that 50% there. So nice to see some sort of a run below that low and pull back, and then maybe there's an opportunity to take up again. Alright guys, I'm gonna be around for another 5 minutes to see what's happening here, and then I'm gonna jump off. So let's see. Remember what I said before. I'm gonna take this one off, but just pull this in here. That's the simple moving average, that line there. We get away from it too far, we tend to come back to it. And that lines up with the VWAP, the blue VWAP, the anchored VWAP. I mean, looking at this now, so we got this little gap down here. We break structure here, so we could bounce back here and then continue higher. Dum 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 dum. Let's see. Let's see. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for chatting. Thanks for joining, and I'll chat to you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.